If you are new here, my name is Harry, a third year BTech student at Srivas Engineering College, Tadipalligudem. Today, our video topic is front-end development. In this video, I am going to explain what is front-end development, the technologies that are used in front-end development, the popular front-end frameworks, the importance of front-end development, how to become a front-end developer, and at last, we will conclude this. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is front-end development? Well, to put it simply, front-end development is building a part of a web application or an app that interacts with the user directly. It mainly focuses on creating the user interface, ensuring a smooth and engaging experience to the end user. When you visit a website, everything you see from the colors, fonts, buttons to the layout and how it reacts when you click or scroll, that's all the front end development. Front end developers work with three core technologies to bring the website and applications to life. Let's break them down. First one is HTML, stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Think of HTML be a skeleton of a website. It provides the structure of a web page. So whenever you see headings, paragraphs, images or links on a website, that's HTML at work. Next we have CSS or cascading style sheets. While HTML gives you the structure, the CSS is what makes a website look good. It is used to style the web page by controlling the things like fonts, headings, paragraphs and layouts. And finally JavaScript. This is where the things get interactive. JavaScript adds dynamic elements to a web page like animations or forms that validate user input or even interactive maps. It what makes the website more engaging and responsive to the what end user does. Now in modern front-end development, there are tons of tools and frameworks that helps the developers to work faster and build more powerful applications. Let me introduce few of them. The first one is React. React is a JavaScript framework created by Facebook and it is the most widely used framework. It helps the front-end developers to create interactive website easily, and React is used in building big web applications like Facebook, Instagram, and etc. And the second one is Angular. Angular is another JavaScript framework. It is developed by Google. It is more complex than the React framework. And the third one is Vue.js. It is also another popular front-end framework. It is known for its simplicity and flexibility. And the another one is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a CSS framework. Bootstrap is used to build responsive web pages. So why the front-end development is important? No matter how complex or powerful the backend is, the front-end is what actually the users see and use. A well-designed front-end can make a difference by someone enjoying your website or leaving after a few seconds. That's why front-end developers focus on creating a responsive, accessible, and user-friendly website that works on all devices, like whether you are on phone, desktop, or a tab. And they ensure that the website works on all modern browsers. Now, if you are thinking about becoming a front-end developer, I have got some tips for you. First, start learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are tons of free resources over the internet. Some of them are W3 Schools and Java Point. or you can also learn from YouTube. Once you are comfortable with the basics, you can dive into some frameworks. You can learn React or Angular to get hands-on experience. You can build your own personal website or a portfolio or even an application. It is the one of the best way to learn. And that's the front-end development in a nutshell. It is a fun and creative field that is essential to building a interactive websites. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, there is always a new thing to learn in the front-end development. And that's the video. Hope you guys learned something new today. See you in the next video. Bye.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I can